Oh, good afternoon, everyone. So after another round of power steering fitting problems, I had to come all the way to Mexico to get it fixed properly. I'm hoping. Pretty sure it is though. We added a 90 on the bottom of the pump instead of a 45, which Canada and US mechanics thought was fine. This 90 works way better. There's no tension on the hose. What was happening, the tension on the hose would make the fitting leak eventually. So I think we got her. I think this is the end of our power steering problems. It's only been a year, and it's only been through like 4 or 5 mechanics. And yeah, I had to come all the way to La Paz, Mexico to a backyard mechanic to fix us up. So we got groceries ready. Eddie had a poop.
Woohoo! Winning.
So yeah, we're just gonna head to the Pacific. No place really in mind, but I got a route just to get us to the Pacific as quick as we can, and then we'll figure it out kind of along the way. So thanks La Paz, but we are out of here.
Peace.
Well, just turned off the highway. See how it goes, but I'll probably have to air down here. It says maps say we got 15 kilometers to go to where we're going. So quick air down and we're back on the road. Nice being back in the big cacti.
Yeah, the road's to be desired though.
Yeah, oh well. You'll be all right, honey. It's only another 14 kilometers.
Yeah, which could be 7 hours.
No, it doesn't look washboardy, just a little bouncy. Back at the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Doesn't look like there's anyone else here either, which is surprising. So we get down to the beach here and there's 2 dudes in a big F550 camping expedition rig, and they are stuck up to their axles, so I'm gonna winch them out. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I gotta start my rig. I'm so excited to use my winch and help somebody out. I forget the basic rules of winching. Start your vehicle, get inside, and have your foot on the brake. So we will continue. Maybe give it when he feels the tug, Tom, to give it a little power. One thing I'll add here is wherever you are, wherever you go, what part of the world you're in, you have to be prepared. These guys are great guys and had a basic idea, but they had no traction boards, they didn't have a decent sized shovel, and they hadn't aired down. So please do your research and figure out before you head out into the backcountry, because if we didn't come along, those guys would have been digging a long time to get out of there. And over the next few days we were in this area, we only saw a little car that came by. Well, that wasn't too bad. Couple tugs on the winch, and once we kind of got them out, I just backed up and pulled them out. Hard to film and winch at the same time. Kristen's not feeling well now, so she wasn't able to help out with that. But yeah, feel good helping someone else out with all the help I've had down here. Yeah, feels good to pass the help forward, and came across at the right time, so right on. We found a really nice spot to set up camp for the night, but unfortunately it got really windy and we had to hunker down inside of the van for the rest of the evening. Thanks for watching, and keep on adventuring.